Container day.
Yeah.
Container for now.
Party people, let me see you now. Throw your hands up, yeah. We got the good rhymes, we're making the good times. We're taking over your mind and we're getting the good vibes. Now you're telling me don't stop the melody. Good times ahead of me, yeah. We got the good rhymes, we're making the good times. We're taking over your mind and we're getting.
What are you doing? You're playing. That's all you should be doing. You don't gotta worry about going to work. Just playing. You hungry?
Party people, let me see you now. Throw your hands up. We got the good rhymes, we're making the good times. We're taking over your mind and we're getting the good vibes. Now you're telling me don't stop the melody. Good times ahead of me.
We had peace for a second and it's gone now. Let them work it out. I got a visual. I can see if anything bad goes down. Having my meals for the day. Probably gonna order pizza for the boys, but gonna have a chicken, salad, some spicy pickled carrots. I'm gonna do protein yolk, some fruit, and then I am gonna make some overnight oats for an afternoon snack because they will be soft by the time. That's right. Honey. Wilson. Or scoop, why not? Whole milk, because that's what I got. Ready. Ready for the day. Going in the bed. Fake Owala. All the snacks in here. Ready to go. Let's do it. Rockin' and rolling. Okay. Where is she? Shocker.
No, buddy.
She's done. I purposefully, there was peanut butter ones and I stayed far away from them. Then put a single peanut butter one in there.
Bring no chains. We gotta get the chains to the bank. We're back already? We gotta get a hook.
Damn it!
A hook.
I gave Slade perfect work to do with his wife. To his old.
You do a successful marriage?
It is. Well, it's just,
knowing stuff.
It's to care.
To care.
From there.
Quite some equipment you've got between your legs.
Oh, yes. It's explosive. Be careful.
You mean fucker?
What's gonna happen, D? The container's gonna be here. You're gonna go to the forklift, and the forklift won't start.
Yeah.
851. That's gonna be nice over here. Nice.
8:51. 9 minutes. Did he have a peanut? Who gave him peanuts? Good fit on. Honestly, he's got his long sleeves and then his little like. This is cute. With the little like, yeah, that's cute.
We're gonna find out.
What's the game plan?
Yeah, it's a good game plan. The truck comes in and we relax on it. When it's done, 20 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Yeah. That would keep it from starting.
Yeah, I know. I wonder what.
Gotta have a good ground on there, bro.
No, we're just gonna move it. Leave it like that.
Interviewed everybody outside over there.
I should interview them.
Yeah.
I'm there for it. Excited.
He's ready.
Dreamt about it last night.
Oh wow, you're not kidding. You did dream about it.
Oh yeah, for real. Woke up, fell back asleep, continued to dream about it. Oh, good morning.
Today, nobody died.
Nobody died.
That's good. That's good.
That needs to be a typical day at Troopers Machinery. Chaotic, but fun.
Shit show. Yeah.
I might start smoking.
Play done.
It's optimistic.
Greg says optimistic.
Yeah, it's gonna be good to fill
Greg's
this.
got that
fill this
California
place
in
up.
him. He's
Yeah,
like, I'm
yeah.
ready.
It'll be problems and we'll fix them.
Here you go.
But we'll get this yard back up to
That
stop.
was a Clemson thing on your truck for a while.
Football team.
That's Work County.
Yeah.
Go Tigers. Rawr.
My little brother charged me $25 for that.
Jeez, he
So he
ripped
could
you
get a
off.
damn
Oh, it's for the
t-shirt.
boosters or
I'm telling
something?
you. They got boosters. Why they need my money?
Coffee and half a donut. Good job, boys. You look like you're being super careful.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Now I start to smoke. Oh, nice.
Some new workout sets. So let's decide what's cute and what's going back. Oh yeah. This is one of those. Give me 14 of them. Right now. Intrusive thoughts have me just wanting to like jump on the forks.
Watch out now. Don't stop. Watch out now. Don't stop. Watch out now. Don't stop. Watch out now.
Bump up the desk. Bump up the Zoom. And
Watch out now.
that's it. Alright, if you want to be charged again, I'll charge you. Crazy bread. So good. Why? There's a bread stick. 6 machines in 7 minutes.
Not a very
Watch out. Watch out now. Don't stop. Watch out now.
It's like what do you think? It's America! No.
You guys.
We need a spray for every
I know, I'll talk to them about
gallons of spray.
anything home.
What's been your favorite part of today?
You sat with me on the skid steer. And then I cranked an energy drink. And then the day ended.
We're going to Aldi. Quick rice, quinoa, spray, and protein pancake mix. Home to the boys! Regular old broccoli steaming. So I'm gonna meal prep some egg white bites. And they're gonna be baked. No. I'll do her.
Of those machines, or it's a different word out there, what they're starting to do now.